public storage here. Is this the keys or not? Can I do?
I'll figure out later. But they're Otis HydroFit elevators, non-MRL from 2018.
There. Send it down. Lower. Going down.
Going
Terrible
down.
rendition of the voice, I'm sure. Don't hate me for it.
Certificate installed in 2018 is a combination passenger freight elevator. Chris Adam.
Do you want to try the other one?
I will.
Oh, here, we'll go back up.
Yeah, I guess there's people here.
Good. 4,500.
Okay.
Alright.
The other one is.
I guess we're getting on this one now.
It's an Otis.
It is no. I think the other one. I think the other one went a nudge. That's going up.